President Obama has said most of the undocumented children here from Central America will not be allowed to stay here. The process of deciding which will stay and which will go is often decided in a courtroom. But yesterday, 18 of 20 undocumented children failed to even show up for their first immigration hearing in Dallas federal court. That's an unusually high number, raising concern it could be a trend. Foxworth Madness in now with more perspective on why this might have happened. Natalie.
Well, Steve, it's hard to say why so many kids suddenly wouldn't appear in court. The immigration attorney we talked to says it's difficult to make a case for asylum fleeing a Central American gang than a government. But he says these kids and their guardians should show up and try.
This woman we'll call Maria says she's filled with fear at the thought of returning to Honduras. She and her 11-year-old daughter made the 1-month journey, finally swimming across the Rio Grande into the U.S. 2 months ago. She says, I left my home because I feared for my life and my children, and I'd been threatened. Maria and her daughter joined thousands, mostly unaccompanied children seeking asylum, flooding the federal court system. Her daughter has the benefit of having mom, as foreign to the system as she may be, looking out for her. Most of these children do not. Tuesday, 18 of 20 unaccompanied children failed to show up before Judge Michael Baird. The normal immigration court no-show rate is just under 50%.
It's in everyone's interest to attend hearings and at least, try.
Immigration attorney Paul Zoltan says the high number of no-shows Tuesday is not the norm. He does not think it's the beginning of a trend.
I think that the notion that the children's arrival in violation of our laws means that they are scofflaws, that they've simply blown off this hearing because they have no respect for America's laws. I think that's nonsense.
So what could be behind all the no-shows? Zoltan says there could have been an issue in the notification process, or sometimes rumors circulate that they'll be immediately deported as soon as they show up.
No se puede hacer eso.
Maria has the benefit of legal counsel as she waits for her day before a judge. Even though I'm afraid, I know I have to go.
Zoltan also worries about the lack of legal representation for most of these kids. And even though a lot of attorneys are stepping forward to help, there's still an overwhelming number of kids and cases. Now, as far as yesterday's no-shows are concerned, the judge could have issued immediate deportation orders. He chose not to, resetting the hearing for next month instead. Steve.
Okay, Natalie, thank you.